So apparently, I found some interesting facts on cars. Um, the way that manual gears and automatic gears differs is manual gears doesn't rely on computer technology, so it's more old-fashioned. So if you want to feel like you're less computerized, then you should go for manual gear. The cons, however, is you have to be more focused on your speed limit and when to shift gears, and that's about it. It's kind of like um, handiwork on that one. And automatic gear, it has the more convenience of allowing you to speed and brake without thinking of what gear you're in. But it does rely on computer technology. So if you're not a fan of computer technology in your car to let you decide the speed or something like that, then you could go with a manual gear. So that's the main difference. Manual gear is more, uh, it's more hard in terms of keeping stuff in focus. But if you are determined of not relying on cars that you don't use computer technology, then manual gear is for you. So it overall depends on your preference. If you want a car that that is controlled by computer technology, that's what automatic is. It makes it easier, but it's computerized. So that's what I want to say. Thank you for listening, and bye.